Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna make another pasta, and what I make is pasta alla amatriciana. So for ingredients, let's check down below. For the pasta that I use, I'm gonna use bucatini, which is traditionally, but if you can find bucatini, you can use spaghettoni, but if you can find spaghettoni, you can use regular spaghetti, works well also. The cheese, I'm using the pecorino romano. This is the pork chick or guanciale, whole peel tomato, and then white wine. Alright guys, so the first thing that you need to do, you want to render all the fat from the guanciale. The guanciale I have over here is 350 grams because I'm using 500 grams of the pasta. This is good for about 3 to 4 people. So you want to render the fat slowly. So this is a cold pan. So now I'm going to put on a medium, and I'm going to render all the fat with the medium heat starting from the cold pan. So now we're going to blitz the whole peel tomato. Now for the tomato, I'm going to blitz them, or I'm going to blend them to make it real smooth. So since I'm making for about 3 to 4 people, I'm using about 800 grams of tomato. One can, pretty much, the regular can, not the small one. So we're gonna blend them. And that's it. All right, so as you can see, the guanciale is nice and crispy. Now I'm gonna deglaze the bottom of my pan with white wine. Just a splash. And then now I'm gonna bring the heat up to medium high. After I cook the one for about 3 to 5 minutes, now I'm gonna add the tomato. I'm gonna add the remaining. Now we're gonna cook this until it's thickened. Usually it takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna reduce this. While I'm reducing this, I wanna cook the pasta. My pasta is bucatini. It took me about 12 minutes to make it al dente. So I'm just gonna keep reducing this with a low heat. And I'm gonna cook the pasta for 2 minutes, and then the rest of the 2 minutes, I'm gonna finish off with the sauce. So let's cook the pasta now. So 10 minutes in, my pasta is almost done. So I'm gonna take it out and then just put it inside. And we're gonna finish off with the sauce. Now my heat setting is still low. So we're gonna mix this. Now I'm gonna add the pecorino cheese. We're gonna fold it. Now why I want this sauce a little bit thick? Because let's say if it's too thick, you can always heat it with pasta water to make it a little bit more runny. But this thing looks perfect for me. And you see all the sauce, it's pretty much stuck on the pasta. Now I'm gonna test it. It's very nice, perfect. So now we're gonna serve it. Alright guys, so this is the final results, the bucatini alla amatriciana. So now for the topping, I'm using pecorino cheese and just put it on top. And there you go. Enjoy. So that's it for our today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe, because subscribe it's cost you nothing, but it really helps us. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next video.